So today we're out with our drone class. They've just learned how to fly and all the basics of flying and the safety checklist. So today we're out testing them out, seeing what they can do. The purpose of our drone class is twofold. One, to get our commercial FAA certification, and then to talk about all the industry ways to use a drone. Our goal is not only that our students can pass a test, which is great, but we also want them to be really good flyers. So by the end of the year, our hope is that first they have their certification, and then with that, then they've started the process of figuring out what kind of jobs they can get, and hopefully by the end of the year that they've actually performed several jobs, first for free and then working their way up to being paid for jobs.
Hey, we're at 400 feet AGL. Look at that, y'all are up there with the moon. That's awesome, man. Good job fixing that up. Hey, once you're there, pilots, I want you to yaw. 360 degrees, nice and easy, nice and slow. Get a view of Deer Park that you've never seen before, okay? Groups, if y'all want to get around your pilot and look at the screen and look at Deer Park, get an idea of what the lay of the land looks like. Go ahead and yaw, 360, nice and easy, nice and easy.
So drones is one of those emerging industries. So many things, from the film industry to delivering packages to delivering a medical instant medical moments. There's all kinds of ways in which drones are being used, and they're taking over a lot of industries. So those kind of jobs are just going to keep exploding. A lot of careers are, 10% growth, 20% growth. The drone industry right now, I think, is upwards of like 50%. So it's one of those industries where if our kids are in this moment getting involved in that, they're likely to have a very good career. There's no prerequisites currently for the class, so anybody can choose to be a part of it. But we do require that when you get there, that you fully participate and that you are able to do the things that the class requires. Obviously, it's not just about trying to pass a test, but you have to be responsible and being able to control your drone and be able to fly it really well and be safe with it.